How to redeem code for YouTube Premium. Hello and welcome to our channel by Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem code for your YouTube Premium. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your YouTube app. Then once you're on your YouTube app, tap on library here in the bottom right corner. Then here tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then here you will see get YouTube Premium. Tap on it. Then here tap on try for free. Then here tap on the 1 month free. Then this pop-up will show up. So here you have to tap on redeem code. Enter the code here, or you can also scan the gift card if you have the gift card. So enter the code here and then here tap on redeem, and if the code is correct, your code will be redeemed for YouTube Premium. And so this is how you can redeem code for YouTube Premium. Thanks for watching.